Hello Lomzy team, welcome back to my channel Lomzy Souls. My name is Uloma Ezike. Yeah, today I will be sharing with you guys what I've been up lately. I got a job for making dresses for a birthday photo shoot. So I am taking measurements for my clients, and I'll be sharing with you guys the pictures, the photo shoot, how it went, and all that, and the dresses. Hope you will like it. I believe so. So if you want to see the pictures out of this photo shoot, make sure you always come back to my community tab to check out for the pictures and all that. If this is your first time watching my videos, I share tutorials on how to make trendy designs and difficult designs. I share with you guys tutorials on how to make them. So if that's what you want, you consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my sewing tutorials. Like all the pictures, all the dresses I made in this photo shoot, I'll be sharing the pictures on how to make them. For my returning subscribers, I know you guys must have been missing my videos. Yeah, this is what I've been up to lately that made me to stay away, and I'm not uploading some pictures, but I got you guys. I got you. I got your back. I'll be sharing the video on how to make these dresses. So stay tuned, don't touch the dial, enjoy the photo shoots. It was a hectic day. Can you imagine what the photographer is going through to make sure he brings out the best out of this photo shoot? I can't imagine the picture that will be coming out from this one on the floor like so. Even the model is so tired. We've been working all the oh my goodness. But this now finally turned out to be one of the best pictures. I can't wait to see this particular picture. The birthday girl was actually very tired because she has been standing on her heels, so she decided to sit down on the floor, and it turned out to be a very nice posture. Can you imagine this? I love this so much. Now this is the second dress. This is my best. Is a corset, with what do I call this sleeve now? If you know the name of this sleeve, drop that in the comment section. I can't remember right now. Yeah, I love this so much. This is actually my best. She actually likes the purple, but I love this gold. I love it. This corset took me a hell lot of time, but I am enjoying the outcome of the outfit. If you want me to share video on how to make this corset or the skirt, you can drop that in the comment section, and I'm always there to see whatever you're writing, and I would be glad to make a video of that. Would you like this corset to go with a mermaid skirt just the way it is, or you would have preferred it to be a ball skirt? Just let me know in the comment section. The detail on the skirt, that's a crinoline on the hem. And this corset, I made it with a see-through fabric. It's not lined. I didn't line it. It's just the net there that is on the corset that I use for the corset. And so you can see how the cup is standing. I love this so much. I hope you guys agree with me. Yeah, I'll share the pictures with you. I'll share the pictures on the community tab. Just make sure you always check out the community tab. You see the pictures there. Thank you guys for watching. So see you in my next video. Bye. Yeah.